Determine the equation of a quadratic function using the table of values. The first thing we're going to do is to find the table number that has y-intercept, which if you don't remember, it's x equal to 0. We found one, which is 0 and 6. Now that we found one, let's get all of the remaining values here, the one that I underlined. Basically, the 4 tables here. Let's create a new one, so it will be less confusing. So we have 0 and 6, 1 and 4, 2 and 4, 3 and 6. And next, we're going to identify the values of C, Q, and P. So our value for C, it is the y-intercept. Wait, I have to add this just to be sure. So it will become 6. The next thing we're going to do is to subtract all of these by right to left. We're going to be switching their positions. So 4 minus 6 is negative 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now let's subtract them as well. 0 minus negative 2. Negative times negative is positive. Positive 2. 2 minus 0 is 2 as well. And the first number we get here, that's going to be the Q and P. The first result we got from the first difference, or this row, it's 2. And negative 2, sorry. And our P value is 2. Basically this one. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to be solving for Q and P. P is equal to 2A. P equals 2A. So we're going to be substituting P with 2, since we already found the value of that. Let's divide them both by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And our value will be, so our value for A is equal to 1. Now let's solve for Q. Q is equal to A plus B. Let's substitute our Q with negative 2. And since we already found the value of A, which is positive 1, let's plug that in here. Let's transpose. And for B to be positive, we're going to be subtracting it with the minus sign. So multiplying it with the minus sign, sorry. Negative times negative is positive. So it will become negative 3. Okay. Now that we have found our value for A and B, let's plug this in. We have fx equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Let's plug it in. So we have the value of A is 1. The value for B is negative 3. And the value for C is the one that we found earlier, which is 6. Let's copy. Negative times positive, of course it's negative 3x plus 6. So the answer for this equation is f of x equals to x squared minus 3x plus 6.